Welcome to Mastering Arc Welding Techniques, where we delve into the art and science of creating strong, durable welds using the arc welding process. Arc welding, also known as stick welding or shielded metal arc welding, SMA, is a versatile welding method that employs an electric arc to melt and fuse metals together. This episode will guide you through the fundamentals of arc welding, highlighting its practical applications and the key skills needed to master it. As we unpack the process, we will explore the types of equipment used, including the welding machine, electrodes, and safety gear. Each tool plays a pivotal role in achieving the perfect weld. We will demonstrate proper electrode selection and the techniques for striking the arc, crucial steps that influence the strength and appearance of your weld. Understanding the science behind the electric arc is essential. The temperature of the arc can reach up to 6,500 degrees Fahrenheit, which allows the metal to melt and coalesce effectively. We will discuss the different metals that can be welded, the importance of cleaning the metal before welding, and how to control the heat input to prevent warping or weaknesses. To help you become proficient, our expert welders will share their insights and tips on troubleshooting common problems like electrode sticking and spatter control. They will also demonstrate various welding positions and motions tailored to both beginners and advanced welders. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into each aspect, ensuring you have a comprehensive understanding of how to utilize arc welding to create strong, lasting joins. This will be an invaluable resource for anyone looking to enhance their welding skills or even start a career in this field. Let's start by setting up the arc welding machine. First, ensure that the area is safe and clear of any flammable materials. Connect the welding machine to a compatible power source, ensuring the voltage matches what is recommended for your machine. Carefully select the settings on your welding machine, adjusting them based on the type and thickness of the metal you plan to weld. This involves setting the correct amperage, which is crucial for creating strong, reliable welds. Choosing the right electrode is equally important. You'll need to consider several factors to make the best choice. The diameter of the electrode affects the depth of the weld pool and the strength of the weld. Smaller diameters are typically used for thinner metals, while larger diameters are suitable for thicker materials. The flux coating the electrode also plays a vital role, as it helps stabilize the arc, adds to the metal's properties, and shields the weld from contaminants in the environment. When it comes to metal types, different electrodes are optimized for varying metal compositions. Common electrodes include 6010, 6011, and 7018, each with its own characteristics and applications. The 6010 electrodes are well suited for deep penetration on dirty or rusty metals. The 6011 can be used with AC and DC currents, making them versatile for various conditions. Lastly, the 7018 is known for producing smooth bead appearances due to its low hydrogen content, which also minimizes cracking and ensures strong welds. Now onto welding technique. To achieve consistent welds, it's essential to maintain a stable arc length, typically around 1/8 inch. This uniform distance between the electrode and the metal helps ensure the heat and filler material are distributed evenly. When holding the electrode, aim to maintain an angle usually between 5 to 15 degrees relative to the direction the weld is being applied. This angle is crucial as it affects the depth and strength of the weld, making it an essential factor for successful welding projects. Safety is paramount in arc welding, as the process produces intense heat, sparks, and ultraviolet radiation. To protect yourself, always wear personal protective equipment. Start with a high-quality welding helmet equipped with a suitable shade lens to protect your eyes from the harsh light and potential retinal damage. Heat-resistant gloves are a must to prevent burns from hot metal, sparks, and electrode itself. Furthermore, wear flame-resistant clothing that covers exposed skin to shield against prolonged exposure to heat and occasional spatter from the welding process. Additionally, managing your environment is part of safe welding practices. Ensure your workspace is well ventilated to avoid the inhalation of harmful fumes and gases emitted during welding. Keep your work area free of flammable materials to prevent accidental fires. Regularly inspect your equipment for any sign of wear or damage, as faulty tools can significantly increase the risk of accidents. Avoid common pitfalls in arc welding to enhance both the strength and appearance of your welds. These include improper electrode angle, which can lead to weak welds that may not penetrate the base metal fully. Inconsistent travel speed can cause uneven weld beads or excessive spatter. Lastly, always clean the base metal before starting your weld to remove any impurities or contaminants that could weaken the weld. Avoid common pitfalls like improper electrode angle, inconsistent travel speed, and inadequate cleaning of the base metal. Take your time to prepare the joint properly and maintain good technique throughout the weld. Arc welding, a process involving the joining of metals using electricity, requires not just technical skill, but also a deep understanding of material properties. As you begin, focus on setting up your equipment correctly and selecting appropriate electrodes for your metal type. Ensure your workspace is safe and well ventilated. While welding, pay attention to the arc length, travel speed, and angle, which are crucial for bead quality and preventing defects like porosity or cracking. With practice and attention to detail, you can master the art of arc welding and produce high-quality welds that meet the demands of any project. Remember, welding is both a skill and a craft. Keep honing your abilities and happy welding.